There are so many things to see and do in Dubai, but when I have guests come over, I like to make a checklist just so I don't miss anything out. I'm going to share this with you today, what I like to do with my guests, and it starts here at the Dubai Mall and the Souk Al Baha. You can probably see behind me, I have the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. So you can go up there to the viewing platform, right near the top, and get a really great view of Dubai. My tip for this one is though, book in advance because it's sometimes almost a quarter of the price than if you just turn up there to go up. One of my favourite free things to do in Dubai is the Dubai Fountains. It can get a little crowded down here in the evenings, but during the day at 1 PM and 1:30 PM, then you get the screenings, or you can catch them every 30 minutes from 6 o'clock onwards. Let's enjoy the show. And when you're at the Dubai Mall, it's definitely worth checking out the Dubai Aquarium. A desert safari is a must-do experience in Dubai. Platinum and Heritage is the only eco-friendly desert safari. And what's even better is they do it in these beautiful vintage Land Rovers. You go off spotting wild gazelles and Arabian oryxes, then you come back and have authentic food in a traditional Bedouin camp. My favourite way to see the desert is floating 1,000 feet above it in a hot air balloon. Not only do Balloon Adventures do hot air balloons over the Dubai desert, you get to do the world first phenomenon of flying with falcons. These magnificent creatures are the fastest animals in the world, and you get to do this as well as enjoying a delicious breakfast afterwards. Dubai has world famous beaches. What better way to explore them than actually on the beach, on an e-fat bike. These have fat tyres so you can actually get on the beach and ride.